Hello everyone, Mark Richpetta for Hot Hardware here, and I'm on site at Dell Tech World in Las Vegas, and I have a very special guest coming up next. Hey, welcome back everybody. I am here with Charlie from Dell, and before we get started, Charlie, why don't you tell everybody why we're here and what you do at Dell?
Yeah, absolutely. So Charlie Walker, I am head of product for our precision workstation line as well as our rugged notebooks and tablets.
Gotcha. So you have the more commercial, higher end sort of products. Awesome.
Yes,
very cool.
exactly.
Now, a big theme of the show so far has been Agentic AI.
Yes.
Agentic AI, everyone's talking about it. You guys just launched your Deskside Agentic AI products.
Yes.
Can you tell everybody sort of what that entails, what that means, what they should look out for?
Yeah, so really what it is, think about it as an extension of our AI factory. So we've talked the last couple of years a lot about the Dell AI factory with NVIDIA. A lot of that's been very focused on the data center. And so now with the advances in the compute technology, now is the right time to go bring that to the desk side. So you look at the portfolio that got displayed this morning with Jensen and Michael on stage. You can start small with a GB10, and then you can scale to something like one of our T4 towers with multiple GPUs in it. And then you can scale all the way up to a GB300, which really brings that power of compute to the desk.
Gotcha. And these aren't necessarily just developers. These are folks that want to do local AI of various levels with various size models.
Yeah, no, exactly. And that's the beauty of that scalability is because really what our goal is, every customer is at a different point in their journey.
Right.
Some are just beginning to tinker, play with it, trying to understand what value could AI play in their organization. That's where you want to go start small. You don't really want to go invest in hundreds of $1,000s or $1 million for a data center, but you go start small. You start with a GB10, you start to experiment, you understand the power and the capability, and then once you have that, the beauty is the software scales.
Yep.
So you can take exactly what you did, and now you can start to deploy it on whether or not it's a more traditional workstation tower with NVIDIA Blackwell graphics, all the way up to a GB300. And then, if you're ready, you can go take and scale that all the way into the data center as well.
Right. Yeah, so similar architecture, sort of top.
Exactly, yeah, similar architecture, similar software stack, which really allows that, like I said, that customer journey. And I didn't quite answer your first question all the way. And so as you think about that Dell Deskside Agentic AI story, really the way to think about it is part of that AI factory is you have the hardware piece of it. You have the software component, which is where you get OpenShell, and a lot of what we talked about today was, with NVIDIA. You also get the security element so if you think about CrowdStrike, you think about our PCs as, the most secure. You get all of that, BIOS security from the hardware perspective as well. And then underpinning all of that is the services layer as well.
Yep.
And so one of the things we found is as customers begin this journey, some know where to start, some don't know where to start, some are trying to figure out how to go deploy at scale. And so we have the services capabilities to be able to go help those customers on that journey.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's not just about the chips, it's about the company.
No,
behind the chips,
exactly.
right?
Yes, exactly.
So what do you think are some of the more compelling use cases for Deskside Agentic AI? And how do you expect customers to sort of measure the outcomes on what you're providing them?
Yeah, so it's a great question. And this is where you start to get into another one of the term of the year is tokenomics.
Right.
And so, Jensen talked a lot about it at GTC. You even heard it this morning with Michael and Jensen. You're starting to measure the value of output in tokens. You think about as you generate tokens, you're generating revenue, you're generating IP, you're generating an outcome for your business. And so that's where, again, the value of bringing it local is we have seen instances, and even with our own internal developers, they will go blow through, $30,000 in less than a month.
Right.
And so as you think about agentic AI, where you have that recursive pattern, where it's the self-improving, where it's quite frankly working 24/7,
right,
you very, very quickly go burn through tokens. If you're trying to do all of that in the cloud, that starts to become very expensive.
Yeah.
And so that's the beauty of being able to bring it local is now what you're able to go do is create more of that hybrid environment.
Sure.
And you can go do that iteration local, and then you have the APIs. And so if you need access to, a frontier model that's out in the cloud, you can go do that.
Gotcha. Makes perfect sense. And how is Dell differentiating its products from competitors in this space?
Yeah, I think there's, the two things that I'll kind of come back to is, well, maybe three actually, as you think about it. So one is that services component. And so again, you think about a customer that's trying to go get started. We have years of experience helping customers from the data center. So we're able to go take that expertise and go bring it into the Deskside environment,
right.
And help customers figure out, how do they get value out of their data? And then how do you actually go deploy quickly? So that's one of the ways we differentiate. I talked about the security element as well.
Yep.
And so again, as you think about the world's #1 workstation brand and precision, all of that was started in a history of reliability, driving IP for companies. And so you have all of that reliability, the security, the manageability of the #1 workstation brand as the underpinning hardware. And so that's where you start to bring all that together. You bring it with our services and our security solutions, and that's really where you start to get that Dell difference.
And I know we've been talking AI for a few years now, but we're really still kind of in the early days in many respects.
We are.
Yeah. What kind of innovations do you see coming moving forward? I know you can't talk about future product.
Yeah.
What kind of direction do you think we're going to head in?
Yeah, I mean, it's a great question. I wish I had the crystal ball and I could answer that. I think the way I would actually start to frame that is if you rewind the clock a year ago, everyone was talking about AI, and it was going to be this next big thing. The world that we're talking about today with agentic AI is fundamentally different than it was a year ago. Yeah. No one could have predicted where we were at. And it was really the introduction of some of the new models in February where it created this new opportunity of agentic AI. You start to put the harness around those models, and that's created this whole new ecosystem, this whole new frontier of what AI can actually go do for us. And so that's what's really exciting. And so quite frankly, like I said, I wish I could tell you where this is going. But you look at the evolution, even from December to now, we're 5 months later, it's a fundamentally different world. I'm excited to see where it goes in the next 5 to 6 months.
Yeah, exactly. My workflow from last year to this year, the amount of productivity that I can pull off having some of these tools at my disposal, it's awesome.
Oh, exactly.
So we're almost coming up on time. We're very pressed for time here, but I'm going to ask you just 2 more quick questions.
Sure.
So how does Dell plan to expand its market influence in AI workstations? I know you have a long history with workstations in general, but this is a new market segment.
It is. It's a new market segment. I would say in a lot of ways it's kind of the evolution of the market segment around workstations and performance. We will continue, obviously I can't talk about future products, but we'll continue to push the boundaries. We were the first OEM to launch the GB10 right behind it. We were 1 day behind NVIDIA's Spark Founders Edition.
Yep.
We were the first one to go ship the GB300. So you will continue to see us push the boundaries from the technology side.
Sure.
And with that, I think then comes the thought leadership. And that's where, again, you go back to this, the Dell Deskside Agentic AI solution of creating the framework of making it real for customers. Because that's the biggest thing that I think customers are struggling with is there's this great concept, everyone's heard of agentic AI, but how do they actually bring it into their environment? How do they bring it to their data?
Yep.
And that's where you see the value. And so that's where you will continue to see us be the thought leader in helping customers on that journey and extracting the value out of AI.
Gotcha, perfect. And before we close, if you were speaking directly to buyers, consumers, viewers that are trying to digest everything that Dell has to offer, what would you like them to know about your Deskside Agentic AI solutions?
I think just to wrap up the conversation, it's really about helping customers very quickly recognize the value of AI. The last thing we want is for customers to be out kind of floundering, buying hardware that they're not extracting the value out of. And so that's really what the core foundation is creating kind of validated designs, very explicit workflows, examples that customers can look to. They can start to envision what that would look like in their environment.
Right.
Having the hardware, having the software, and then most importantly, having that services layer as well to go help customers get started on that journey.
Great. That's awesome. Charlie, thank you so much. I know we're running out of time. And with that, I hope you liked this episode. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for HotHardware for lots more from Dell Tech World.